My name is Alec Radzikowski. I'm VP Group Account Director at Fuse Ideas. There are so many benefits to installing a heat pump. They can really increase the value of your home. They're highly efficient. There's a lot of great rebates on this equipment right now, and they also reduce CO2 levels in our environment. So the Inflation Reduction Act was a real game changer in the electrification movement, and what that did was it set aside $250 million in the US to enhance our production of this equipment. So in 2020 alone, over 4.8 million heat pumps were installed in the US. By 2030, the US Climate Alliance predicts that heat pumps will be installed in over 20 million US homes. So in switching to heat pumps, the average US homeowner can expect to save around $667 a year. Fuse Ideas has been so fortunate to work in the energy space for the last 10 years, whether it's from strategy, creative, implementation with our media plans. There's never been a more important time to get the message out about what's happening in the energy space and how we all have to get involved.